Have you ever thought, I want a high paying SAP job, but I don't know how to code? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you a proven 5 step roadmap to break into SAP in 2025, even if you've never written a line of code. By the end of this short guide, you'll know exactly which module to pick, how to master core concepts, build a portfolio that gets noticed, earn certifications that matter, and network your way into interviews, all without a developer's background. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose the right module. Not all SAP roles require you to write code. In fact, more than 60% of SAP jobs are functional. They focus on configuring processes, analyzing business requirements, and ensuring data integrity rather than programming. Picking the right module is your first and most critical decision. Here's a deeper dive into your best non-coding options. 1. Materials Management, MM. What you do: manage procurement and inventory. You'll configure purchase requisitions, ME51N, purchase orders, ME21N, goods receipts, MIGO, and invoice verification, MIRO. Who it fits: procurement specialists, supply chain coordinators, warehouse managers. If you've ever created a purchase order, tracked inventory levels, or negotiated with vendors, MM feels natural. Demand and salary. Entry-level MM consultants can start around $60,000 to $80,000. Experienced specialists exceed $100,000. Global companies constantly hire MM experts to optimize spend and avoid stockouts. 2. Sales and distribution, SD. What you do: handle order to cash, everything from creating a sales order, VA01, managing pricing, VK11, scheduling deliveries, VL10B, to billing, VF01. Who it fits: sales operations, customer service, logistics professionals. If you've worked in sales support or order processing, SD leverages your process orientation. Demand and salary. SD roles are highly valued in manufacturing and retail sectors. Salaries range $65,000 to $95,000 for entry to mid-level positions. 3. Financial accounting, FI. What you do: configure the general ledger, FS00, accounts receivable payable, F-28, F-53, asset accounting, AS01, AFAB, and month-end closing, F.01, OB52. Who it fits: accountants, auditors, finance analysts. If you love balance sheets, reconciling accounts, or financial reporting, FI is your playground. Demand and salary. FI consultants remain in high demand, especially in S/4HANA transformations. Entry-level $70,000 to $90,000. Seniors up to $120,000 plus. 4. Human capital management, HCM. What you do: manage employee master data, PA30, payroll, PC00_MXX, time management, PT60, and organizational management, PPOME. Who it fits: HR professionals, payroll specialists, organizational development consultants. Your HR background becomes a direct asset. Demand and salary. With the rise of success factors, HCM skills command premium salaries: $65,000 to $100,000 for functional consultants. How to decide wisely. Interest and experience. Choose what excites you. If you get energized by numbers and reports, FI or MM could be ideal. If you thrive on people processes, HCM or SD may be better. Local job market. Scan job boards in your region. Which module appears most frequently? Where do companies struggle to find talent? Future growth. Consider module trends. S4 HANA SD, Central Procurement MM, and cloud-based success factors are hot right now. Trial and feedback. Watch a 5 to 10 minute tutorial for each module. Take notes, then ask yourself, do I want to spend my career navigating these screens and processes? Once you pick, stay focused. Become the go-to expert in that niche before branching out. Step 2. Master core concepts. You might not have an SAP login yet, and that's okay. You can internalize the core processes and data flows without ever touching a live system. Here's how to build deep conceptual knowledge. 1. Open SAP courses. SAP's free MOOC platform offers structured courses on every module. For MM, start with Material Management in SAP S/4HANA. For FI, try SAP S/4HANA Finance Fundamentals. Each course includes video lectures, self-tests, and final assessments. Action. Enroll in one course per week. Spend 30 minutes daily on video modules, then take the quiz. Reward yourself with a badge to share on LinkedIn. 2. YouTube Deep Dives. Select channels with high production quality and clear narration. Look for playlists like SAP MM Beginner or S4 HANA Finance Tutorials. Action. Subscribe and create a playlist of 10 must-watch clips, 3 to 5 minutes each. Watch one per day, pausing to sketch process flows on paper. 3. Process flow diagrams. Visual mapping cements learning. Draw your own flowcharts. For MM, sketch PR arrow PO arrow, GR arrow IR. For FI, plot AR invoice arrow payment posting. Arrow reconciliation. Action. Use Lucidchart or PowerPoint to create one slide per key process with labeled steps, decision points, and transaction codes. 4. SAP Community Blogs and Q&A. Browse SAP Community's Getting Started posts. Read real-world scenarios, like inventory valuation errors or month-end closing challenges. Action. Leave thoughtful comments or answer one beginner question per week to reinforce your understanding. 5. Cheat sheet memorization. Download our SAP Career Cheat Sheet from Gumroad. It lists common T-codes, configuration paths, and best practice tips. Action. Print it out. Flashcard yourself on transaction codes. ME51N-Create PR. F.01- Financial Statements. Practical tip. Schedule a weekly 1-hour SAP study session in your calendar. Treat it like a meeting you can't miss. Step 3. Build mini projects, and portfolio theory is critical, but evidence of hands-on ability wins interviews. Create small, tangible deliverables to showcase your understanding. 1. Documented Process Guide Star, SAP MM PR Guide. Write a 2-page PDF that walks through creating a purchase requisition, ME51N. Include numbered screenshots from public domain videos, annotations explaining each field, material, quantity, delivery date, and a summary of approval workflows. SAP FI Month End. Checklist in Excel, list tasks with due dates and responsible roles. Open posting periods, OB52. Post accruals, run F.01. Reconcile GRIR, MB5S. Close periods. Second slide deck explainers. Asterisk sales order flow. A 5-slide deck on SDV, a 01 arrow. VL01N arrow. VF01, use icons for each step and call out key settings. Pricing procedure, delivery date determination. Asset depreciation demo, a 3-slide deck showing AFAB run results. Depreciation area postings, asset history sheet screenshots, reconciliation to GL. 3. Video walkthroughs, optional. Use Loom or OBS to record voiceover slides. Spend 3 to 5 minutes explaining your guide. Host these videos unlisted, then link them in your portfolio. Action. Record one for MMPR and one for FI month end. This shows you can articulate processes clearly. Publish and share. GitHub, Google Drive. Organize a SAP portfolio folder with subfolders for MM, FI, SD, HCM. Resume in LinkedIn. Under Projects, list Purchase Requisition Process Guide, SAP MM. Link to your PDF. Under Media, attach your slide decks. Impact. Recruiters see you're proactive, resourceful, and understand core business processes, not just theory. Step 4. Get certified and optimize LinkedIn certifications. Validate your effort and open recruiter doors. Focus on micro-credentials and profile optimization. 1. Open SAP micro-certifications. Complete short courses, 4 to 6 weeks on core modules, and earn a digital badge. Examples: Introduction to SAP S4 HANA MM, Overview of SAP S4 HANA Finance. Action: Display badges prominently under Licenses and Certifications on LinkedIn. Second SAP Learning Hub Discovery Edition. Sign up for the free Discovery Edition to access chapters of learning journeys and trial systems for 14 days. Action: Complete one learning journey's introductory sections and upload screenshots of your progress bar to LinkedIn posts. Third-party T-code trainings. Platforms like Udemy offer SAP T-Codes Essential Guide courses. They often cost $10 to $20 and cover 50-plus common transaction codes. Action: Complete a T-code course, then list it on your CV. Completed Udemy SAP T-Codes for MM and FI, sequenced 100-plus codes. 4. LinkedIn Profile Optimization. Headline: Aspiring SAP MM Consultant. OpenSAP Certified ES Portfolio available. About section. Start with a one-sentence elevator pitch, then bullet your top 3 mini projects and certifications. Experience. Under Independent SAP Learner, list Developed PR Process Guide, ME51N, Executed Month-End Checklist, OB52 to F.01, in conceptual demo. Featured section, upload your cheat sheet PDF, slide decks, and Loom walkthrough links. 5. Engagement and branding. Post weekly. This week I built a purchase order guide using ME21N. Download my template. Include a link to your portfolio or cheat sheet. Comment on SAP S4 HANA transformation posts, adding thoughtful insights. This builds visibility. Step 5. Network and apply. Your network accelerates your job search more than any application portal. 1. SAP Community Q&A. Sign up on community.sap.com. Answer beginner questions in MM, FI, or SD to demonstrate knowledge. Action: Aim for 5 answers per month. Each accepted answer gives you karma and profile visibility. 2-point LinkedIn networking. Join groups like SAP MM Professionals or SAP Careers 2025. Engage by asking, what's one mistake you made as a junior consultant? And comment on replies. Send connection requests to SAP consultants. Hi name. I saw your post on SAP MM best practices. I'm building my MM portfolio and would appreciate any tips. Happy to share my PR creation guide. Action: Keep messages personalized and concise. Follow up if no reply after 1 week. 3. Telegram and Discord. Find channels such as SAP Job Alerts or SAP Career Tips. Share your mini project decks and ask for feedback. Action: Post a polished PDF link once prepared. Invite critiques. Would love feedback on my purchase requisition process guide. 4. Informational interviews. Ask for 15-minute chats with junior consultants or hiring managers. Prepare 3 questions. 1. What skills helped you land your first SAP role? 2. How do you demonstrate MM expertise on your resume? 3. Any must-read resources for a new consultant? Action. Send follow-up thank you notes and keep network alive by sharing your next mini project. 5. Job applications. Search portals with filters. SAP MM Junior, SAP Support Analyst, Entry-Level SAP Consultant. Apply with tailored resumes highlighting your 5-step roadmap achievements. Action. Track applications in a spreadsheet. Record company, role, date applied, and follow-up schedule. Bonus. Gumroad cheat sheet. To speed up your learning and application process, I've created a free SAP career cheat sheet on Gumroad. It includes top 50 transaction codes, ME51N, ME21N, MIGO, MIRO, OB52, F.01, and more. Organized by module. Learning path checklist, OpenSAP courses, YouTube channels, blog RSS feeds, so you know exactly what to study and when. Mini project templates, editable PowerPoint and Excel files for PR processes, month-end checklists, and portfolio slides. LinkedIn message scripts, 5 proven connection request and follow-up templates that have landed interviews. Interview question bank, 20 functional questions, e.g., explain the 3-way match process in MM with sample bullet point answers. How to access? 1. Go to https://kaiabdullah.gumroad.com/QPURM. 2. Click Get it for free and enter your email. 3. Download the zip containing all assets. Use these resources to stand out in applications and interviews. Recruiters love concrete deliverables. Now you'll have them ready to share. Summary and call to action. Let's recap. 1. Pick the right module based on your background. 2. Master core concepts with OpenSAP, YouTube, and community blogs. 3. Build mini projects and share them in your portfolio. 4. Earn micro-certifications and optimize LinkedIn. 5. Network strategically and apply to entry-level SAP roles. Which step will you tackle first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more SAP career strategies. Your 2025 SAP journey starts now.